The anticipation is reaching its crescendo as we stand merely 2 days away from the grand unveiling of the Galaxy S24 series. Samsung, in its relentless pursuit of excellence, has promised a spectacle, and it seems the tech giant has more surprises tucked away in its sleeves. The software realm takes center stage with the revelation that the Galaxy S24 is not just an upgrade in hardware. Ice Universe, the renowned source for Samsung leaks, has confirmed that One UI 6.1 will introduce a mesmerizing array of animations. Ice Universe signals a significant leap in the software's finesse, using the word Reborn to describe these animations. Samsung has listened and improved the animation frame rate, promising a smoother and more delicate visual experience. Notably, the decision to remove the background blur effect is a strategic move, possibly aimed at optimizing power consumption. Sources have also spilled the beans on the durability front. The S24 Ultra, despite potential scratches at level 6 and 7 on the hardness scale, outshines its predecessor. The titanium frame, coupled with a flatter panel design, not only enhances aesthetics but also reduces the likelihood of cracking. The use of Gorilla Glass armor, possibly Victus 3, raises the bar for durability, especially around the corners. A recent leak provides a tantalizing glimpse of the S24 Ultra in gold, showcasing the phone's aesthetics. The flat display, a departure from the curved design, is highlighted with a titanium frame, a fusion of strength and lightweight construction akin to Apple's flagship. The S24 Ultra's camera capabilities are nothing short of revolutionary. The ability to record 8K videos at 5x zoom, thanks to the 50-megapixel sensor, propels Samsung into a new league. Even with the replacement of the 10x lens, Samsung assures users of excellent photos at 10x and beyond. Diving into the aesthetics, Samsung offers 4 enticing color options for the S24 lineup: amber yellow, marble gray, cobalt violet, and onyx black. Notably, the Ultra variant replaces the first word with titanium, underlining its unique build. For those eagerly awaiting the release, a detailed rundown of specifications, design elements, and pricing for each model in the S24 series awaits. From the 6.2-inch display of the standard S24 to the 6.8-inch marvel of the Ultra, this comprehensive guide will help you decide which Galaxy suits your preferences. The Galaxy S24 series emerges as a symphony of innovation, elegance, and user-centric design. Samsung's commitment to pushing boundaries is evident in every aspect, promising an experience that transcends expectations. In the heart of technological evolution, Samsung invites us to a poetic dance with the imminent unveiling of the Galaxy S24 series. The crescendo of excitement echoes as we delve into the harmonious blend of innovation and design, unveiling a trio of smartphones that promise to redefine the smartphone experience, a symphony in every sense. As the curtain rises, the Galaxy S24 takes center stage. Its 6.2-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display becomes a canvas for a visual sonnet. With a resolution of 2340x1080, Samsung's N3 OLED panels paint a vibrant tapestry, protected by the fortress of Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and Armor Aluminium 2.0. The 12-megapixel punch-hole camera captures the essence of each moment like lyrical notes on a sheet. Turning to the rear, a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel telephoto create a visual sonnet that dances in perfect harmony. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in North America and the Exynos 2400 worldwide, it's a symphony of power and elegance. The smartphone orchestrates a harmonious blend of 8 gigs of RAM, a choice between 128 or 256 gig storage, and UFS 4.0, creating a seamless performance. A 4000 mAh battery, adorned with a 25-watt fast-charging ballet, takes center stage. The orchestration continues with 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7, all seamlessly woven into the symphony. One UI 6.1 graces the performance, a masterpiece based on Android 14, ready to debut in February 2024. The price tag, a poetic expression, ranging from $850 to $900, adds a final note to this act of innovation. As the second act unfolds, the Galaxy S24 Plus graces the stage with a 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display. The visual saga takes a leap with Quad HD plus resolution of 3120 by 1440, Samsung's M113 OLED panel, and the fortification of Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and Armor Aluminium 2.0 protection. The 12-megapixel punch-hole camera, like a triumphant solo, captures the soul of each glance. The trio of rear cameras, a 50MP primary, 12MP ultra-wide, and a 10MP telephoto, tells an epic tale, each frame a poetic stroke. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 conducts the performance in North America, and the Exynos 2400 takes the lead worldwide. With 12 gigs of RAM, storage choices of 256 or 512 gig, and the fluidity of UFS 4.0 is a crescendo of seamless performance. A 4,900 milliamp battery accompanied by a 45-watt fast-charging ballet powers this act. The trio of 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7 continue the orchestration, creating a harmony of connectivity. One UI 6.1, a choreographic masterpiece, takes the lead on Android 14. The encore of this act comes with a price tag of approximately $1,050, a poetic expression for a smartphone symphony. In the grand finale, the Galaxy S24 Ultra steps into the spotlight, flaunting a 6.8-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display. A visual masterpiece unfolds with a resolution of 3080x440 and Samsung's M13 OLED panel, guarded by the formidable Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The 12-megapixel punch-hole camera captures the essence, the opening notes of this visual opera. The rear ensemble, a 200-megapixel primary, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, 50-megapixel 5x zoom, and a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto, paints a photographic opera, a visual crescendo of technology, powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 universally or Exynos for the S24 siblings, 12 gigs of RAM, and storage choices of 256, 512, and 1 terabyte, orchestrated seamlessly by UFS 4.0. A 5,000 milliamp battery accompanied by a 45-watt fast-charging ballet powers this grand finale. The trio of 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7 continue the orchestration, creating a harmony of connectivity. One UI 6.1, the choreographic maestro, graces the stage on Android 14. The masterpiece is priced at $1,250, a poetic crescendo in the symphony of innovation. As the curtain falls, the S24 Ultra leaves an indelible mark, a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 inclusion resonates with power, promising an encore of success. While the echoes of the S23 Ultra linger, the S24 beckons to those seeking a new chapter in the smartphone saga. In this poetic journey, details will continue to unfold, a melody of revelations. Subscribe to witness the crescendo as Samsung's symphony of innovation continues to resonate. Share your thoughts on these tantalizing features in the comments below. And for more poetic tech updates, stay tuned to our channel.